Okay, this is question 8 and 9. Expand and simplify. So this is worth 2 marks. The first part from multiplying the brackets out properly, and the second part from simplifying it. So let's expand it first of all. So I'm going to do 5 times x, which is 5x. 5 times by 7, which is 35. Don't forget, I'm timesing everything here. I then have to do 3, which is positive, times x, so it's plus 3x. Now I've got to remember to do 3 times by minus 2. Now 3 times 2 is 6, not 5. Plus 3 times by minus 2 is minus 6. That's worth 1 mark so far. So I have got numbers and x values. I've got to add together my x values and then my numbers separately. So 5x plus 3x is 8x. I've got 35 take away 6, which is plus 29. The next one is asking us to factorize. Now, there's numbers here and letters, and the letter A and B appear. So I've got to try and take out as much as I possibly can. Now, let's deal with the numbers first of all. 3 and 6, the biggest number that goes into 3 and 6 is 3. 3 times by 1 is 3, and 3 times by 2 is 6. So if I multiplied that in again, it would get me the 3 and the 6. 3 ones are 3, 3 times 2 is 6. Thinking about the a's then, I've got a cubed and an a. So a is common. So if I think about what needs to appear here to get the a squared, a times by another a would get me a squared. If I look over here, a times by 1 gets me a, so I don't need to put any digit in there, or any value of a in here. So let's deal with the b's. I've got a b here and a b squared, so I've got to have a b in the outside because it appears in both. I don't need to put a b here because it's a b times by this value will get me that b, and b times by, I need to put another b in here because b times b is b squared, and I can put an add in between.